You'll like. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're back with another Brent Makes episode. And today we're going to be making the yummiest and easiest brownies in the whole world. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So now, for the first ingredients, you're going to add some sugar. Oh. Okay. And you're going to add some oil. Now you're going to want to mix them. Okay. Also, when you make your brownies, when it's finished cooking, don't eat too much, and eat moderately, or else you can get diabetes. I'm just warning you. All right. So now we've mixed our oil and sugar. So now we're going to add our eggs. And we're gonna add our vanilla essence. Then mix them. So now we're going to add our dry ingredients and add them in a separate bowl. So we add our cocoa powder to the flour. Okay, and we're going to add our salt combined with baking powder. Now we mix. Whoa. Okay, so now when your dry ingredients are well mixed, you're going to add them to our wet ingredients. So now we're going to mix them. And you can sort of see a little bit of swirl in there because of the dry and wet ingredients. Just smell. Oh, I wish you guys could smell it. It's so yum. Also, and remember, you can make these at home too because they're super easy to make. Okay, and you can also add anything to your brownies. So you can add marshmallows, you can add anything you want. And you can even add nuts if you want. Or you don't have to add nuts if you're allergic. Now we're going to spray our baking dish with some canola oil spray. Now that we have greased our baking dish, we're going to add our batter. Ooh, wow. This is like pouring cake. So now it is time for us to bake our brownies. I'll see you when it's baked.
A few moments later.
So guys, our brownies are done cooking, and now it's time for the taste test. But you need to wait for a bit because it's still hot. Okay guys, so now it's time for the taste test. Okay, here's one last look before we eat this delicious brownie. Okay, time to taste it. Oh. Wow, this is actually so good. I'm gonna eat some more. Guys, if you want to see more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.